Hey everybody, Vinny here. Today's project is I'm resurfacing a deck for a friend of mine, and if you didn't know this already, here's a little trick to make it easier when you're screwing down new boards on old frame rails. Because you can never trust these things to be perfectly straight, right? So after I cut out all the boards, I took out one piece, I grabbed a crowbar, and I cut a little bit of a separation in between every board, right? Just enough to where you can see the stud. Slide it just a little bit, and I'll take a screw, line it up, put it in here, pop it in. Go to the next one, pop it in, right? So what I'm doing is I'm making sure that every screw and every board is centered to the actual stud, which may or may not be going in stupid directions because it's 20 years old and because wood likes to get warped. You know the drill. But that's just a little tip for when you're installing new decking on old studs if you're resurfacing a deck. So just something useful for today. Till we meet again, stay gold.